Every day, people use several apps to communicate effortlessly. They search, share, connect, and they keep themselves updated. But when it comes to an enterprise, communication often becomes chaos central. So when our client came to us after many failed attempts at getting a next-gen collaboration platform for their 40,000-plus employees, Infosys saw what others didn't: the potential of using everyday digital within the enterprise. We empowered employees to find the right answers at the right time with an easy digital experience. And in order to achieve this, we adopted a "why rebuild when you can reuse" strategy. We built cognitive API layers to innovatively leverage the existing enterprise apps and brought in capabilities across systems to support natural language search to find critical content. We also set up a hybrid infrastructure so that employees in low connectivity areas could have the same rich experience. And finally, we ran automated performance testing from all locations. Soon it was launch day, and we waited for the bug reports to arrive. But none did. The result? It got everyone talking.